आम्ही फक्त स्कूल टू घरापर्यंत आणि घर ते स्कूल हेच आम्ही करीत बसता. बट देन ह्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त सुद्धा वी हॅव लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू डू. इफ यू want to understand life, then all these things matter. हातून स्पोर्ट्स असतले, your cultural things असतले. हे सगळे करता असताना खंयतरी we have to give those values, give those that exposure to all the kids, and that I think such type of concepts will definitely boost that exposure.
We have started our new venture here in Old Goa, where it is a child-centric and ladies activity center, and we have come up with a lot of activities for children and ladies, which they had to earlier they had to travel to all the way to Panjim. We are coming up with our corporate daycare also, which the people from offices and factories in Kondam and Ponda and all, so it will be closer for them.